Hey folks, welcome back. It's Malik here, and I just want to show you a brief clip of what we were given the other day on the glorious Easter Sunday, the day the Lord risen. Charles Barkley, he has said a lot of wise words in his past recent years, and he said something really interesting about our politicians. Our politicians make black and white people dislike each other. They create this race war. They're telling everybody to dislike each other based on a skin pigmentation. This is not about race. This is about power. This is about control, divide, and conquer. These people don't give a damn about you. The only thing they care about is your numbers. And look what happened. Look what happened. Once when they finally get their way, like the Democratic Party, you know what they do to black people? They throw them away. Every single 4 years, we always have a politician coming in saying, like, oh, what will I do for black people? If you go to Newark, Detroit, Chicago, any blue run cities, and most of the time this is all in blue states, it's shit. It's literally shit and it's garbage. Like, what the hell are we doing here? Like, what are we doing? And he's right. These politicians and their true colors are being revealed, such as the case of AOC. I'm not going to call him President Biden because we all know, folks, we all know what happened. It's this liberal agenda and this hive mind. They are taught to hate us, but we are not taught to love. The one thing I will surely tell you as a black American, once when I went to the Trump rally down in Wildwood, New Jersey, it was so much love that I was speechless. And of course, everyone's saying I only told my parents like, "Oh, be safe, don't get killed, don't get killed." But there was so much love. It was truly beautiful. Then again, Donald Trump was a politician, but we needed him. That was a man that we truly needed. No more career politicians, because career politicians do not promise you anything. Look at the state of Newark. Look at New York City. Look at the boroughs. But yet you want to have socialism. Give me a break. And Charles Barkley is absolutely right. They make us hate each other. They truly do make us hate each other. And that's wrong. I'm Malik, and we have a great show today for you. And stay tuned.